better. Oh, oh. Oh, Cliff, what are you doing? It's broke the undercarriage, I think.
What's happened is it's snapped the two lugs off that go on the secure the back of it. Now these are out of stock currently, and when you do buy them, you buy in these two plastic parts and the wheels. Well, I don't need wheels, and it seems 12 quid plus postage seems a lot of money just for a couple of plastic mouldings. So what I thought I'd try and do is to super glue the broken pieces back on and then go into the shed and fiberglass it all up. As I say, this is under quite a bit of tension, so if it actually glues enough to hold itself, I'll be amazed. But it's only going to hold it enough for me to unscrew it and fiberglass it up. It seems to be holding. So I'll take the tension off it completely. It's broken off, so that was that. Okay, brilliant. I'm pleased with that. So that's, I'm glad I undid it though, look, because it's gone all the way through. Next job is just give out a little rough up, a bit of sandpaper. Hopefully it won't come off. Okay, next morning. It looks a bit of a mess, doesn't it, actually, when you're looking down on it. But it's kind of like fared in quite nicely. It's gone quite hard. I've just been filing the bottom so as it sits a little bit flatter, but I've just noticed the corner of this plate that's glued in has come out a bit, so I've got to investigate that. Right, what I've done is I've dug out 8 or 9 millimeters of foam to try and get under the front of the plastic part, but it's not going to budge. It's stuck really well. It's quite thick. Just thought I might push my luck a little bit with the undercarriage, and I can exert quite a bit of force on that, and I've managed to actually pull the front part of the plastic up, so I can get loads of Gorilla Glue in there now. So, and then I'll just put probably balsa back in the front here, but I can get right in there now, so I'm happy with that. Okay, now I'm going to push that down, we'll see what happens. Get that one straight away. That's held down quite nice. That has too, to be honest. So right, so what I've done, I've just smeared lots of glue on the piece. I've got an 1/8 inch and a 3/16 piece of balsa, which should make the depth up to about what it needs to be. It's going to need to be sanded because obviously the bottom of that foam isn't exactly flat. But it's going to make it pretty solid, I reckon. Squeezing out there, but I'll come back to that, I think. Next job is to get on with that undercarriage, get some primer on it, I think, while this is drying, and I'll come back to that and have a look in a few minutes, see where it's bubbling out. Let's just paint that in. I use the CA as like a primer. That's a bit wishy-washy. Still got to dry quick. Right guys, this will make you laugh. I painted this and it was a disgusting green, so I went back out and I painted it matte black and gave it a coat of clear lacquer. It's time to offer it up. That goes in that slot, which I've just cleaned out because it had little bit of detritus in there. It always is a tight fit. For a minute, I'm going to tighten up then. That feels really solid. It feels very firm indeed, chaps. Just eyeball that a minute. Looks pretty good. Now, if you're gaining a little bit of knowledge from the video, hit the subscribe button and maybe the bell button, and it can ding you when I put up a new video. This is just one of those little maintenance jobs. This model's been out of commission for about 3 months. As you know, I've been busy building the Tiger Morph and Spitfire conversion and flying the big glider. But this is a good old workhorse, and so it was worth repairing. So what I'm going to do is to call it quits on that one now, and we'll see you in the next video.